Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rina and I'm professional makeup artist. Today I wanted to show you how to create really simple look like on the go, and I've spent only 20 minutes to make it. So if you're ready, let us start. So today I've started with one of my favorite palettes from Morphe. It's the Vault, and just applying orange eyeshadow all over my lid. I use then a little bit lighter orange just to blend our eyeshadow. And we will also use gold from this Morphe palette just to make our eye corner look bigger, like making our eyes look bigger and making some contrast. For my face today I used lichen primer, and then we will use my favorite, really favorite thing from Milani. It's Conceal and Perfect. I'm just in love with this foundation. You really should try it. Then fix everything with invisible powder. And get back to your eyes using same eyeshadows. If you want, you may use something like more gold. It depends on you and your wants, needs. Then, if you don't have a lot of money, or you don't want to waste a lot of money on your cosmetics, just buy a simple palette where you can find contouring and highlighter inside, because I have a lot of highlighters. My favorite Sleek one, but if you have like set, it's more cheap and maybe it's simple. And I use NYX Sweet Cheeks blush for my cheeks. I think you already know my favorite mascara from shops like mass market, and it's Catrice. I love this brand, and you can find it everywhere. If you're using brow mascara too, just be really precise and careful, because it may be everywhere. And you know what? That's all. I'm just using a little bit of lipstick. I think it was NYX. And that's all. You're ready to go if you are not afraid of colorful makeup. Thank you so much for watching my channel, watching this video, being with me. If you liked it, just let me know. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.